it's Amber, and today I'm going to be making awesome cloud and icing slime. So online you can buy a little bag like this with 3 powders. So first I'm going to make icing slime with this orangey color slime. And it needs to be one tablespoon. 2 tablespoons, I mean. 1 tablespoon is for cloud slime. So it's going to be like that. A little bit less. Like that. It's a little bit too big. Okay. It's gonna be like this, guys. So just measure like that. It's gonna be this small. Okay. So let's get 2 of these. Okay guys, so what I need to do is put the snow powder in. And 80 mils of water. 80 mils of water, 20 mils of borax. Which equals 100 in total. Let's pour it in. Oh, that looks so cool. Oh, it's rising. Yo, it's like so dry now. And it was sopping wet, now it's so dry. Yay. It looks cool. Okay. Now we need to mix our 2 slimes together because 2 tablespoons. Let's put it in. Okay. Looks like salmon with like snow on the salmon. Okay, well guys, here's the finishing touch of it. It's super duper good. It looks like a cloudy when I do this, but trust me, it's not. now we're gonna make cloud slime. So let's get to it. So we're gonna make a bug, a ski with some cloud in, pour it in. Whoop. Okie dokie. Need the smearing thing. Okay. The rest is water. 20 mils of activator and 8 mils of water. Let's pour it in. Watch this stuff rise. It rises really cute, cool. It's busy rising. Watch it rise over there. Oh, it's amazing. So good. Okay, for this, the cloud slime, we're going to be using white, and it's 1 tablespoon this time. So I've got my 1 tablespoon. I know it's a tiny, tiny, tiny bit, but it's for cloud. Whoop, whoop. Okay, I will see you when I am done mixing it in. So guys, it ended up turning like more of the icing slime, so I need to put more snow powder in, so I can either make some more, put it in, or just sprinkle a little bit like salt on. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of snow powder on, and then mix it in thoroughly. Just gonna go okay. Now mix it in. Hopefully this works and it turns into a nice consistency cloud slime. Okay, so guys, it's at the finishing consistency and it feels really good. It's really, really, really fluffy. It's just amazing. When you can give it time to like puff up, I mean, to like get into it. It feels like a cloud. So nice. It's really, really nice, fluffy. It feels like a cloud. So good. No, I wish you guys could feel it. I'm gonna show you. Ha! So good. Okay, well guys, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to smash that like button and hit the red button down below, which is the subscribe button, and tell all your friends about my slime so they can come watch my videos, like my videos, subscribe, and try and make my awesome slime. Goodbye!